Greetings, family. I know that it's strange that we have another carbonation update so quickly, but I just want to update the family about a video that just surfaced. Um, it was on a beach somewhere. I believe they're still in Hawaii, but Nature Boy basically was playing the role of referee or ringleader in the middle of a bare knuckles brawl. You know, he had 4 of the sisters who are a part of Carbonation on the beach, and apparently there was some sort of disagreement between Eliana, who's known as Nana G, as well as the sister Malia. Alright. Now apparently they had exchanged words, and they both felt like there was some disrespect between them. And so Nature Boy, being their leader, thought that it was appropriate for them to have a fight on the beach, you know. And I think like this really demonstrates the immature mindset that is controlling the Carbonation community. Alright? Because if they believe that life is about energy and vibrations, they certainly should not behave in a low vibration kind of way. You know, and to see these 2 sisters brutalize each other, trying to suffocate each other in the sand, pulling each other's hair, bloodying each other, scratching each other, you know, that really was like a depressing moment to watch. You know, everybody who saw it recognized that, look, it was really something that could have been resolved peacefully, you know, but it's impossible to have a peaceful resolution when the leader feels that fighting is a solution to problems. Okay? If he has some sort of wisdom that he is able to impart to them, then why is it that he would put them in a situation where they could possibly harm each other and scar each other for no reason? You know, and the whole thing happened, he actually let them fight 4 times. You know, he let them fight 4 times on the sand, and at the climax of the whole situation, one of the ladies, she decided to stop, right? And he still behaved as if he was a little reluctant to let them stop, you know. Ultimately, they hugged it out, spoke about it, you know, but I don't think anybody can think that that was a genuine resolution, okay? Because even after they had a hug and discussed the situation, Eliana still seemed visibly irate. You know, she still seemed like she didn't want the fight to stop. You know, I think it's really a distressing predicament. I think they need to really have a firm understanding of why they are there. And if it's not for a purpose that is redeeming, they need to actually find a way out of there. You know, apparently a few members have left recently. There's a sister named Netiri. There's another sister named Mama Earth who basically left. And one of the sisters is now releasing a tell-all book to discuss her experience on the compound and to expose some of the violence and disrespect that people had to really endure while living in the Carbonation community. So apparently all is not well in the community. There's accounts of abuse, there's accounts of starvation, there's accounts of people being verbally assaulted, physically assaulted, you know, and it's not really turning into what the original vision was when they started this community, you know. So I would admonish anyone who's a part of that organization who feels that they are in jeopardy or they are being threatened, I admonish them to contact their family and find a way out of that organization. You know, I was inclined to give a few of them the benefit of the doubt, but after that fight, I think it's safe to say that it's not a healthy atmosphere. It's very toxic, and it's not one that will help you to ascend spiritually.